I've always been a natural people person. I love people. It's just something that is just in me, and I love helping people. I think that you find things that make you feel like who you are, and it just makes you feel authentically happy. And I think being a nurse is a field that let me match who I am with what I do. And so it's just such a natural fit. It just kind of picked me, as corny as that sounds, it really did. If you have an opportunity to come to a place with incredible resources that you can do that and use ultrasound, and you can use fiber optic, and it's just so real-like that it only enhances your ability to take care of people. And I think that at WVU, in WVU medicine, that's ultimately like the #1 goal, is to provide excellent patient care. Those are real life situations that we're going to be encountered with. So to be able to come to the simulation lab and to be put in a situation that you're possibly going to have to face, and to work out the kinks here instead of having it be the first time in the actual operating room, I think it just makes you a much safer provider.